talk about our announcement. We promised a special announcement for the people that joined us live, and I think it actually goes out in the press in about 10 minutes. But we are announcing, Cary and I together with our teams, that we will integrate WageScape real-time posting data into the Payfederate platform for all subscribers of Payfederate. So as I said, Payfederate is a platform where you can build and optimize your salary ranges. You can evaluate how your employees fit into those ranges. You can use those ranges and your current internal structures to hire with offers that are going to fit within your framework. You can use it to do employee communications. And now, with today's introduction, you'll be able to, at any given point in time, look at a job in a location and get an understanding of what are the real-time job postings at both the local and national level. So this doesn't require you to adopt a whole new tool where you have people that are looking at a business intelligence framework. Obviously, there are times and places where you might want to, but the opportunity now is to look at it within the context of the compensation platform you'll use for all other elements of optimizing your compensation structure. So that's our announcement. I want to thank Cary and his team for the work they've done to help us get here. And maybe it would be a great opportunity to show people how it looks and how it works.
I think that's great. We're super excited about this direction and this partnership. I think it's a great match. We've gotten to know each other over the last months, and the fit is just really good. And the value, the opportunity to bring more value to more folks is exactly aligned with what we want to do as a company. And so we're super pleased to have Payfederate as a really strong partner.
All right, well, let me share for the audience a little bit about what our platform looks like. And this is an area where you can take a look at your internal jobs and your internal employees. And we'll just pick a role here. Let's just take a marketing manager. And we'll go ahead and pick this by location, because location is always critical. We'll go ahead and look in San Francisco. And all it takes is to bring that data on the job. And you see a couple of things on the top here that are part of Payfederate's platform. You see the internal salary range for this job at our sample organization. In this particular job, you don't see any employees, but you would see the employees as dots on this framework. You actually could see, if you had a traditional salary survey vendor, you could actually put the external benchmarking data on here. What we can see now is right in the workflow where you're evaluating your employees and your jobs, you can see WageScape's data pop up within the platform. So in this example, we have a marketing manager. We pick the city of San Francisco, so we bring back the region, really the labor market that reflects the city of San Francisco. And you can see we have the local advertised salaries for the last 90 days. So it's very real time. These are happening now, as well as the national. And maybe it's no surprise to anybody that, the rates in San Francisco are substantially higher at the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile. You can see how many openings there are. You can see how many companies are hiring. And you can also get a sense of how this pay has changed over the last year. So there's a bunch of rich information in here. And this is right at your fingertips, right where you're going to normally be looking at an individual job. You could pick any other jobs. You could actually be looking at this in the framework of all of your salary ranges and drill down into a job. And it basically augments whatever benchmarking surveys that you might already have. It allows you to get some real-time market intelligence built into the software. It will also allow people, if they want to click through, and maybe there are some different kinds of analysis you want to do, and that's where the partnership with WageScape comes in, that all of this data on a job level is available to all Payfederate customers as a standard feature of our product. If you want to start to do some richer analytics using the WageScape business intelligence platform, you'll easily be able to access that and purchase additional capabilities from within the Payfederate software.